with my spouse's side piece?
Well, let's define side piece first. What shall I do? What
Chin
is...
check that female. No, I'm joking. Chin checker.
But when you look at it though, side piece is not always a different person.
You're right.
A side piece could be your car. A side piece could be whatever that you give more attention to than your spouse.
Right.
So it's like, what do I do with my spouse's side piece? Now, understand what are side pieces. Side pieces are those that fulfill what's not there.
Is it to fulfill what's not there? To be able to, I don't know.
Well, then you look at people that are workaholics. So
right.
But now your work comes
It's the side piece.
It's the side piece.
So then I guess first you would have to identify the side piece, number one.
Right.
Identify the side piece or side pieces.
Oh, Lord.
And then from the side pieces, then your spouse would actually have to understand that is a side piece.
Right.
Your spouse would then have to understand, listen, this is taking you away from me.
Right.
This is taking you away from us. This is taking you away from time. And then to be able to
reserve your spot today. Register. MarriageTakeover.com/committed.